Buongiorno a tutti. Welcome to day 12 of my Italian learning from zero in 90 days challenge. Something that I noticed on Busu, the lessons are getting longer. If in the beginning I could do 2-3 lessons, no sweat. Now, one lesson takes me like one day, which actually makes sense. Because in the beginning, you need to get that dopamine going. Let's say 6 minutes, you do a lesson in 6 minutes. Ha, I did it. Get a tick, dopamine, ping. Then the next one is, wow, next lesson. I did the next lesson. So I'm now on lesson 30. And it took me actually one day to go through it. The lesson had 4 main parts. One was about pets and parts of a village or a town and the verb to have and connecting words. So let's go through them one by one. So pets. So pets, il gatto, un cane, which was something that I saw before in Busu. That's another important thing. To expose yourself to the language. So when you actually come to learn this word, you're like, hey, I know this word. I saw it somewhere before. Io un cane e uno gatto. Something interesting also is that in Italian, a cat is different for a female cat and for a male cat. Gatto, gatta. And l'uccello, to me it sounds like a cello. So a bird is singing is like somebody playing on a cello. L'uccello. Then next few words, I'm not really sure why they put it there because I don't think I'll be using them so much. But let's just go. La farfalla. Which brought to mind those little pastas that in the shape of a butterfly, farfalle. Il ragno, this is like totally, I have no idea why. And la zanzara, which is, I wouldn't make efforts, I wouldn't make any effort learning it, but it's very close to zanzar in Romanian, so I was like, okay, I'll remember that. And il pesce, of course, that we've learned when we studied food. That was section number 1. Section number 2 was about parts of the town or of a village. Something interesting that I learned is the word il paese can be both the village, a small town, and the country. And then I remembered, hey, I heard this song, Paese, when Andrea Bocelli sings Time to Say Goodbye in Italian. Again, wow, I know this word because I heard it somewhere. Then la via, I remember in Rome, I was like, via this, via that, so different street names. La piazza, exactly how it is in Romanian. Il parco, self-explanatory. Il mercato, market. It is close enough, but for some reason in my mind I associated this word with the word meerkats. Imagine on the market there are people who are selling, they're standing like this, like meerkats. La chiesa, I couldn't connect it with anything and I still can't. Chiesa, just have to memorize it, I guess. Chiesa. La stazione, easy peasy. Il lungomare, il lungolago. I love how it sounds. Il lungomare. I really wish I could go somewhere. Il lungomare. Il lungolago will do too. So, part 2 was verb to have. Again, I already used the word o. H, you don't pronounce it. But let me just tell you. Okay, io ho, tu hai, again, H is silent. lui le ha, silent H. Noi abbiamo, voi avete, loro hanno. And I also learned a very important question, tu quanti anni hai? Of course, I can play with, make sentences with all these words, and I made them, just I don't want to make this video too long. Okay, and the last one, the last section was on connecting words, which were which we know, and I used it a lot, or, easy, then ma, but. Okay, important word, but these words are probably used so much that I will remember them just by being exposed to them. Then sia che, both and, ne, neither nor, quindi, I just love how it sounds, quindi, I'll probably be using it a lot. And perché, oh, perché, it sounds so Italian, sounds so wonderful. All right, so these are the words, the new words that I've learned. Have a wonderful day. Enjoy your day. Have fun. Bye-bye. Ciao.